Hi patrons, very happy to present the Black Beauty Touring Street 750. The shade is a Memphis shade, the rest of the accessories are from Adia. So the bike has LED footboards, so the LED glows, and also the footboards are cushioned footboards. So basically this part is soft, as you can see I can press it, so you will not feel any vibrations. It's got a FFC, comes with a heel shifter, very comfortable to ride. Boxes with side protective grills, all nicely laser cut, looks beautiful. The touring pack, LED flag posts, beautiful paint job. The grill really adds to the accent of the boxes. So it's a nice combination of black and chrome. Long haul seat with a pillion compatible backrest. So you can see the relief in the back pad so that the pillion's legs do not have any interference. Nicely chromed top rack, all laser cut. It's a nice combination to go for chrome rack and side grills and not the rack on the boxes, so it's not an overkill. It looks very nice. Hope you guys like it. The turn signals are there in the grills as well. So even in the grill the turn signal is there, and of course the big LED also blinks. So once you have the hazard on, it will look really nice. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. Keep following. Thank you for your patronship.